So let's talk about acromegaly, right? Again, from the anterior pituitary, you have a tumor in the anterior pituitary, acromegaly. The term itself, megaly means enlargement. Acro means what? Extremities, right? So that is because whenever you have a tumor in the anterior pituitary, your growth hormone is high, we call it as or somatotropin. So whenever Ashiq or you have more somatotropin or growth hormone, that is called this condition. In kids, we simply call it as gigantism. Kids, we call it as what? Gigantism. They will have more growth. Height, they will be like bamboo tree, my God. Kids, right? But in adults, what will grow, you know? The extremities grow. In adults, because what is growing there? Cartilage. Extremities grows like their nose tip, their ear, right? Their foot. These are the parts they grows not in height because after adolescence epiphyseal plate is closed. So in adults only cartilage grows. Along with that, remember the patient can get diabetes easily here. I will talk about it soon. Diabetes, and they can have diastolic heart failure. Diastolic heart failure. The patient can have diastolic heart failure, right? See, actually, as I told before in the first video, growth hormone, when they come to the liver, which organ they at? Liver, you can have more glucose, they will produce more glucose, you become diabetic. Or they produce what? Insulin like growth factor 1. They will affect your visceral organs, inner organs, visceral organs. Then you will have this growth, extremities growth. Because of what? Because of insulin like growth factor 1. So extremities grows here. See, for diagnosing, we do a test called glucose suppression test. Very important for diagnosing acromegaly. What we do? Glucose suppression test. What is that? Normally, I'm talking about normal people. See, if I inject glucose in a patient, if I am injecting glucose, which hormone will be more normally in a person? Insulin will be more. What will goes down? Cortisol will goes down. Epinephrine will goes down. And growth hormone will goes down. Once again, glucose suppression test means if I inject glucose to any patient, insulin will come up, right? Cortisol must go down. Epinephrine, norepinephrine will go down, and growth hormone. But imagine someone is having acromegaly. So if I inject glucose in that patient, the glucose growth hormone will not go down, will not have any change, will not change. So it will become, there is no suppression of what? Growth hormone. So that is called glucose suppression test. It means they are not changing what? Growth hormone is not changing. It means that you confirmed he is having excess growth hormone, that's why they are not getting what? Changed, right? Then, or if that is positive, growth hormone is not changing, then you exactly diagnosed by doing what? An MRI scan. Do an MRI. Go for what? MRI. Then treatment, what we give to treat, we give a drug that acts against anti-growth hormone. That drug is called octreotide. Octreotide. They work against somatotropin, or they work against what? Growth hormone. This is how we treat what? Acromegaly. Acromegaly in adults, in kids it is what? Gigantism. In some exam there is a differential diagnosis here. Of course, right? If growth hormone is less in kids, we call it as dwarfism. If in kids growth hormone is less, we call it as what? Dwarfism. But in some kids, so they will have short height. But they will give you in the exam, some kids are having short height and they are majnoon. They are mentally retarded. My God, they have mental retardation. Is it growth hormone? Of course no. That is because of they have less thyroxine. Less thyroxine, right? And that disease is called, cretinism. We call it as cretinism. In cretinism also, the child can have short height, but along with that, they are mentally retarded because they have less thyroxine. We call it as cretinism. But if a child have less growth hormone, they have only problem in the height. Their brain, their mental things are completely normal. That is simply called as what? Dwarfism. So remember, growth hormone more in kids is gigantism, less in kids is what? Dwarfism. More in adults is what? Acromegaly. Here only what grow? Extremities will be growing, right? Hope you understood. That is called glucose suppression test. Then do an MRI. See if the tumor is very large, of course, try this drug or do what? Surgery. Go for surgery. If the tumor, same like in prolactinoma, the tumor is very big, we'll be doing a surgery. So that's all about acromegaly. Normally they ask, remember the glucose suppression test, remember the treatment, and remember the signs and symptoms. Thank you.